Let's turn some trash into cash. My garden was full of rubbish. Let's see if we can make some money clearing it up. Spoiler alert, I actually made a lot more than you think. I loaded the car with all this disgusting rubbish. Some of it was even still wet. Surely people won't pay for this, but there was some copper in there that's stripped out of the house. The recycling centre took the useless stuff and then I headed to this place that looks like a disused aircraft hangar. I placed this copper onto the scale and the boy gave me a ticket to take to the cash desk. How much would I get? Bit of an adventure through the scrap site, which was completely fascinating. Rubbish, scrap, mad machinery, but I got my results. So I was absolutely chuffed. That 5 kilograms of copper actually got me £27.50. It got paid straight into my bank account and I'm not gonna lie, I made it.